Today's video regarding Brother Printer MFC-J995DW. I'm going to show you how to reset this printer and how to reset its Wi-Fi network setting. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and go on the display panel. On the display panel we have to click on the setting icon, and here we see all setting option. Click on that. Scroll down and you will see initial setup. Click on that. Scroll down again. Click on the reset icon. Here you can do two options: machine reset or network reset. Also address book and fax. Also you get option for all settings. So you simply have to click any one you want. For example, a machine reset, and click on the confirm button. Or if you want to do a network reset, click on that and click on the OK button to confirm. So this way we can simply do the reset of this printer along with its Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.